Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, milk collar's pulling in. Wanted to give you a look on what he does every day. 7 days a week we milk. 7 days a week he picks the milk up and takes it down to the dairy. Very important to have a good milk collar. So let's check him out. Milking parlor. That's Dave Patterson. He's got the milk all pumped out, the hose, and spraying the rest of the tank out. Dave here has been hauling milk for 35, 37 years. He's been at it a long time. He actually watched us grow up when we were younger. He's going to get it all set up. Then we're going to turn the washer on. We're going to wash the tank and get it ready for tonight. He comes every day here, pump this milk out. Like I said, these milk collars are crucial to a dairy farm. If no one's getting the milk out of there, then you're going to end up either dumping down the drain or you're not going to be able to milk them. Okay, Dave's all packed up. He's ready to go. How long of a drive you got to the dairy, Dave? 74 miles. Truck holds 103,000 pounds, and you're gonna make it down there pretty good, pretty quick. See you tomorrow. You just seen it. Dave's taking off. He's taking that milk down to the dairy. Like I said, if you didn't have someone picking that milk up like that every day, I don't know what you'd do. You can't afford to haul it on your own. So you got to appreciate them milk collars. They're working just like you are, 7 days a week, non-stop. So I'm gonna head out here. We're gonna feed these cows lunch and check back in. Feed. Brisk February day. Winter finally made it here. Had a little snowstorm this morning. 3 to 4 inches. There's your bull in there getting some. That big boy. Oh! Don't want to make him mad. Cows are lining up to eat here. Feeding equipment seems to be working pretty well. while we're here, here's a heifer. New heifer I just brought up. Getting ready to calve. Hasn't calved yet. Nice shot of her broadside. She hasn't calved yet, but at night we'll run her through the parlor, lock her in. She's been locked in, eating pretty well, and we put her in a maternity pen at night. And you know, in case she goes to labor, we don't want her calving out here. We want her calving in there in the warm straw bedding. And moving on. Alright, first bunk's full enough. Fire up the second bunk. Couple silos already going here. Let's get number 3 going here. You're coming out. Check it out. Here's your haylage. More silage and grains on its way. Look at that baby flying right up. Yeah, I know I say it every time I feed, but automatic feeders, a lot of maintenance, older setup, but you can really check the cows out while you're feeding. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone here. Silos and conveyors, belt feeders are working, and I can go through and I can check these cows out one at a time. Check it out from the back. Other bunks starting to fill up. There they go. They like that other bunk better. Something about that haylage. We ended up putting this old milk tank right here. 2 more milk tanks here for water troughs. I'll show you real quick. I've showed you before, but I know I got new people watching this. I haven't seen them before. Got these at some auctions. Anytime a milk tank comes up, you can get it. They're stainless. They won't freeze. There's their milk troughs. Okay, and then we piped one underground before we poured all this cement. Put one in here underneath this barn, so they can eat. They don't have to travel way over there. And it's funny, some of them like this, some of them like them better also. So we give them a preference, a choice. There's this one filling up. Not as many cows over here eating. I think I'm going to shut this down. Enough feed. Had to feed them a little extra. It's nippy out here. It's got a bite, that wind. So they'll eat more when it's cold like that. They use it to stay warm, and you actually can produce more milk when it's colder like this. Just due to the fact that they're eating more. So the more they eat, the more they produce, as a rule of thumb. So shut this down. Shut her down. Wind's kicking right up, blowing right at me. I don't know if you can hear it on there or not. Yeah, I'll do another little check through here, and I'm gonna head up to North Branch Schools here shortly. I gotta get my daughter Catherine and drop her back off here. Come back, I'll have to refeed these, and then it's my night off milking tonight. Well, yeah, it's my night off milking. Probably gonna do family night. Take the kids, Rochelle, up to Big Boy or something like that. Like take them out to dinner once in a while, and just so they're used to being out and knowing how you know, try to teach them how to act and see how their manners are in the restaurant. one thing I like to do. We like just let them order on their own within reason. Maybe we'll all order chocolate milks and have some ice cream for dessert. Stay on them dairy products, please. I know we do. Got to do our part. Well, they're digging right in. I hope you like this milk hauling milkman video slash feeding. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the thumbs up. Doing the best I can out here to represent the dairy farming community. And make sure you follow me at Kip Sigler Farming on Instagram. And see you in the next video. Thanks.